two types of quantum computing or quantum programming so far that I've explored. And I'll put the links of the detailed videos in the description, but they should, the links to the actual playlists and videos should be appearing on this video as well in the next seconds. You've got on the left side basically the D-Wave type of quantum computing, quantum programming, that's called quantum annealing. And basically here you define your problem as an energy function, like this one here, and then you let the computer find, by exploiting the quantum physics properties, the actual minimal solution. And on the other hand, you have a gate model type of quantum computing, where you basically have a number of qubits, and then you apply gates like these ones, which transform the qubits. So you kind of manipulate the state until you get the desired outcome. Two types. There's probably more than that, but that's what I've explored so far.